Hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. Today we are looking at one max Olympiad problem. Let x and y be the positive reals such that x cube plus y cube plus y whole cube plus 30xy is equal to 2000. Show that x plus y is equal to 10 now. So here as you are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. More than 500 videos are uploaded in this channel. It will appreciate us to make more videos. Thank you. So here how to solve this type of problems. So x cube plus y cube plus x plus y whole cube plus 30xy is equal to 2000 now. You have to show that xy equal to 10 now. So here what will take, let x plus y, this is the logic, x plus y is equal to a and xy is equal to b. Then what will happen to x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. So here x plus y into x plus y whole square minus 3xy. So this can be written as a into a square minus 3b. So if you substitute in given equation, x cube plus y cube, this is the value of x cube plus y cube we are getting, is plus x plus y whole cube plus 30xy is equal to 2000. So here this value already got here, a into a square minus 3b plus this value is a cube plus 30 xy means b is equal to 2000. Now here a cube minus 3ab plus a cube plus 30b is equal to 2000. Now here 2a cube minus 3ab plus 30b is equal to 2000. Now by trial and error, a value is 10 now. Satisfy the equation. Okay, by Horner's method, a minus 10 will get another factor, 2a square plus 10a minus 3b plus 200 equal to 0. By Horn's method, you are solving this. Now you will get two cases. Case 1, a is equal to 10. That implies x plus y is equal to 10. That is a required answer. Now what about case 2? Case 2, 2a square plus 10a minus 3b plus 200 equal to 0. Here also you will find a value. A is equal to minus 10 plus or minus root of 10 square 100 minus here 4ab. 4 into a, b value minus 3b plus 200. By 2a means you will get 2 into 2. So a is equal to minus 10 plus or minus root of Here you will get 24b minus 1500 by 4. So this can be written as a is equal to minus 5 plus or minus root of 4 common 6b minus 375 by 4 by 2. A is greater than 0. So here you are taking positive value. A is equal to minus 5 plus root of 6b 6b minus 375 by 2. So here minus 5 plus root of 6b minus 375 is greater than 0. From this you will get b is greater than 200 by 3. That implies xy is greater than 200 by 3. So 3xy is greater than 200. Multiply 10 on both sides. 30xy is greater than 2000. In this equation, x cube plus y cube plus x plus y cube is positive. So it is not possible to get the solution of. Therefore, our solution is x plus y is equal to 10. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.